How about your first deer, Zach?
It,
Pretty awesome, huh?
yes, it was very exciting.
Down at the family farm, hadn't seen deer and oh gosh, it's been way before you even born. And we finally got this beautiful, beautiful doe. Came out almost right at dark. When she came out, looked like she was limping. We figured, got hit by a car or got shot before or something. And so we both decided, well, actually, I think you decided more on taking her, right, Zach?
Right.
And what? Tell us what else happened.
Well, it wasn't a car hit or a gunshot. Her hoof, it was gone. So she had a little nub, but it was held up good. And it looks like this.
Have no idea what happened to it, but it's healed over, and we just didn't want her to walk around suffering because she couldn't move that fast. I mean, she was really taking her time coming out of the woods when we saw her. And this is just absolutely great. I know I'm one proud daddy. I know you're so super excited running around, so happy. Just that smile says it all. She is pretty. She is so pretty. I mean, just look at her. She's just gorgeous. Got some gray on her muzzle. Weighs pretty good too. Had to get a buddy of mine to help load her up. It's awesome. Just awesome. You finally got my Browning 270 out, shooting 150 grain fusion ammo. Put a nice hurting on her. The other side's
Very bad.
got a nice exit wound, but she's nice and big though. I mean, just
Nice big
and
and
big.
fat.
And fur is very, very soft.
Yes.
Very soft.
Super soft.
I'm guessing, judging by her muzzle and everything, she's probably 3.5 or so years old. We're so tickled. So tickled. Hunting is awesome. Hunting is good.
Oh,
Got some deer meat for the fridge. For the dinner table ready next few days. I'm gonna skin her up here in a minute. Get her in some ice. Save her head. Get her mounted. First deer. Second weekend of rifle season. 2015. I mean, she's got a good sized head. Her ears is pretty good size too, Look at that. Just beautiful deer. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful.